Good afternoon, everyone. It's Lars here down at Stettler Dodge. Also, you can see me over on our Facebook page and my Driving Cars with Lars for the YouTube and stuff like that. And here we have a 2017 half-ton crew cab. Trim level is an SXT and stock number is 17T089. So we'll go through this one and show you the options on it. Here you got the 17-inch tires on here. And obviously this is a brand new truck. It's kind of one of our retired rental type of idea, so it doesn't hardly have any kilometers on it, but we'll go through that with you. Here you got that honeycomb grille. Obviously you can see right on the truck that it does have trailer tow mirrors. You can pull in with a little trailer, and you can flip it right up on there to give you that better feeling of angle. As we come around to the back side, you can always tell that it's an SXT because it has the chrome bumpers. And then you got your hitch, you got your 4-pin and 7-pin switch in back here. And of course your class 4 hitch. It is a 5.7 box, and this one is obviously, you can get the box sprayed if you want. That's something we also are able to do here as well. As we come around to the side, we'll open up the back door for the crew cab to show you. Here we, obviously this comes right all the way up. There is floor mats for it, so you'll have that in there. And then 2 empty spots in the back here if you want to kind of store your blankets and first aid kits or tow hooks. And then of course we have our cold storage as well. Bear with me for a second there. It's just brand new truck, so here are the little cubbies there for you, and of course that's on either side. And then that tray, this comes right out there as well. Then it is equipped with the keyless entry, so it does have the unlock and lock. You can get a manufacturer remote start for these as well. But yeah, we'll open up the door and it's gonna give us the inside and start to go through that with you. Here you have your door locks and windows and power mirrors. This still comes with automatic headlights and your cargo lights and the dimmers. But it is manual seat that you can see, so you'll have to use the little bar on underneath, just like you would on the passenger side as well. And of course the little lever here to adjust the steering wheel. We'll hop on the inside and I'll show you the rest of the details. All right, so here we are on the inside. We'll open up the center console so you can have a look there. We'll flip it up a little bit better for you to look at it. A little bit of a nice, probably about the size of an iPad or tablet. And USB auxiliary, and then a plug-in to keep it charged. You can charge it still through the USB, but if you had an auxiliary, you can charge it through it the other way. A couple of cup holders in here for you. We'll flip it up because it is a bench seat, and then there's the extra seat belt in here for you in case you need to have that third person up in here. Then you got a plug-in with a key logo on it, so that just means, and then battery logo. So this one will charge it while the vehicle is off, and then this would only charge it when the vehicle is running. Neutral, so it's designed for flat towing, if you need the truck to be flat towed. And then you got your controls for the 4-wheel locking and low, of course, and you can switch these on the fly. About 100 kilometers. The book says 88, but this is the recommendation there for you. Now you have your trailer brake that you can have here, your traction control, your tow haul, and your different, obviously your climate control that you can change. This is also equipped with satellite radio, kind of a nice feature to have that available there to someone. And then of course the play and the pause is to control the radio inside of here on satellite. And the volume here, over here, you're gonna have if you want to drive the truck manually and put it into a particular gear, if you're pulling, you would have that access there to you. Obviously the traditional rear mirror in case someone's blinding you, you can adjust it. Then you got this little menu, and you can see it's only got 2,300 kilometers on here. So like I said, it was one of our retired demo slash like rental vehicles that we had. And then obviously your cruise control is all going to be here as well. So if someone's looking for a good working truck or just to have a truck for the family, this kind of suits everyone's needs as well. And if you need any other details, please go to Stettler Dodge's website and check out, and you'll have our pricing on there as well for you. Thanks for watching.